Today what I'm going to do is replace the tire on my car. You've got a punctured tire on the side of the road. First thing you got to do, put the car into park, engage your handbrake. First thing you need to do is open the trunk of your vehicle, and typically you can grab it from this area. And the first thing you want to verify is that you do indeed have a spare tire, and that is the case for this one. So if you guys do not have a spare tire, what you need to look for is a spare tire repair weld kit. And basically what this does is, for those of you who do not have a spare tire in your boot, you can actually find the nozzle for this one, unscrew this, and then what you need to do is you'll need to screw this one in here, and once that's screwed in, you'll be able to turn the valve on, and that will fill the tire. Now, if you're going to use the tire repair weld kit, the likeliness is you're not going to be able to repair the tire again. So now you have verified that you've got your jack in the boot and the lug nut wrench. And the other thing you need to do as well is have this little thing here, and what that'll do is it will allow you to jack the car up. Put your thumb here and pull out. The next thing you want to do is you want to loosen the lug nut bolts. It is very important that before you actually raise the car up, that you loosen the lug nuts right here. You want to actually test that your jack works and it goes up and down before you actually raise the car, because if it doesn't go down, you could be in a worse situation than you started off with. Tap on it and then it should break free. Loosen this one. Okay, and then this will be a board. This is broken, but anyway, this will need to lift the wheel off. And what you're going to do is pull the wheel this way first, so that you're actually not putting much weight on your stomach. And then you're going to pull the tire out this way. And then I'm going to drop the wheel on here. Alright guys, so once you have got it on your jacking points, you might need to refer to your owner's manual. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is we are going to fully loosen the nut. And you want to make sure that when you put it back, this conical side is facing inwards and the flat side is outwards. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to hold the wheel, because you don't want it to fall and hit you. When you guys take it out, if it's stuck, what you got to do is give it a kick with the back of your feet, and that will dismount it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out right now. And you want to pull it as close as possible to your mounting points. Now you guys need to tighten this to torque specs, but on the side of the road you can't. So what you need to do is just tighten it with your foot. And I've given it a good shake, and that's not coming out. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lower the car down. Alright guys, now we're going to do counterclockwise. Going to tighten it in a star pattern. Then this. I would not recommend that you guys drive around in the spare for a long time, because the spare is most likely old. Okay, just going to put your wheel cover back on. I hope this video has helped you guys. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.